Now that the specification and drawings are prepared, including any finishing up services, it is prudent to do a checklist to be sure that many important matters have been accomplished. In the drawings need to be clear and legible. You need to have used correct margins. The drawings should be properly numbered, and you should have followed the element number convention. In the specification, you should have used the 37 CFR template. All sections need to be complete. You need to do a spell and grammar check, and proper correspondence of element names and numbers should be used. Now here is a proper drawing for a patent application. The legibility requirement is typically met by black lines of sufficient weight. The element numbers in your drawings need to be 14 point or larger, that is 1/8 of an inch or more. The witness lines and element number for assemblies need to have an arrowhead. Element numbers and witness lines for elements that are not assemblies need not have an arrowhead. Margins in your drawing need to be 1 inch all 4 sides to be safe. The margin requirements are sometimes less than 1 inch, but to be safe 1 inch should do the job. In the specification, the 37 CFR template that we provide, you should not change the formatting of the template. The subheadings and title all are in uppercase. There's line numbering is accomplished in the formatting. And one other thing that you need to be careful that is correct in your specification is correspondence of element names and numbers. In your spec and your drawings, every element number that you use needs to show in both the specification and the drawing. It should not be in one and not the other in either way. So the way to be sure that this is proper is to start with a printed copy of Figure 1. Check off the first element number in Figure 1 and search the specification using the element number and note the element name at the first instance of the element number. Now check that that name is the same each time the element number appears in your specification, which you can do by following through with the search function. Then check off the next element number in Figure 1 and repeat the search of the spec for the second element number and the name correspondence. Continue through all the figures and element numbers and then correct any instance that element number appears in one of the specification or figure but not the other. When this is finished and your case passes all of the checks, you are ready to file your patent application, and you can move on to the next videos for checking your filing status and filing your application.